In the heart of our planet's vast and ancient landscapes lie secrets that defy explanation. Rock formations so peculiar, so awe-inspiring, that they challenge everything we think we know about geology. These are not just stones shaped by time and weather. They are enigmas carved by forces that science struggles to fully comprehend. From towering columns that seem too perfect to be natural to spherical stones that appear as if placed by giants, these formations whisper stories of a world far older and more mysterious than we can imagine. Imagine standing at the edge of the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, where over 40,000 interlocking basalt columns rise from the earth like a staircase built for gods. The symmetry is so precise, the geometry so flawless, that it's hard to believe nature alone could have crafted such a masterpiece. Legend says it was the work of Finn McCool, a giant who built the causeway to confront a rival across the sea. But science tells a different tale, one of volcanic eruptions and cooling lava. Yet, even with this explanation, questions linger. Why do these columns form such perfect hexagons? What forces guided the lava to create such uniformity? The Giant's Causeway is just the beginning of a journey into the unknown. Travel further, and you'll encounter the singing stones of Romania, massive rocks that emit eerie, melodic sounds when struck by the wind or touched by human hands. Locals say these stones are the voices of ancient spirits trapped in the earth. Geologists, however, attribute the phenomenon to the rock's unique composition and the way they vibrate in response to external forces. But how did these rocks come to be so perfectly tuned? What ancient processes shaped them into nature's musical instruments? The answers remain elusive, buried deep within the layers of time. Then there are the balancing rocks of Utah, USA. Massive boulders perch precariously on narrow pedestals, defying gravity and logic. These formations appear as if they could topple at any moment, yet they have stood for millennia. How do they maintain their balance? What forces of erosion and weathering could have sculpted them with such precision? These rocks are not just geological oddities. They are puzzles that challenge our understanding of the natural world. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of these formations, one thing becomes clear. The Earth is far more complex and enigmatic than we often realize. Each rock, each formation tells a story of fire and ice, of pressure and time, of forces we can barely comprehend. But it is also a story of curiosity, of humanity's relentless drive to uncover the secrets of our planet. So, as we embark on this journey through the world's most mysterious rock formations, prepare to question what you know about geology. Prepare to be amazed, to be puzzled, and to be inspired. For these are not just rocks. They are gateways to a deeper understanding of our planet's past and perhaps its future. The Earth has stories to tell, and they are written in stone. Are you ready to listen? While Chapter 1 introduced us to rock formations that defy logic, Chapter 2 delves even deeper into the mysteries that baffle geologists, scientists, and curious minds worldwide. These formations aren't just beautiful or impressive. They seem to challenge the very laws of nature, as if the Earth decided to play a trick on our understanding of what's possible. One of the most fascinating examples is the stone spheres of Costa Rica. Scattered across the jungle, these near-perfect spheres range from a few centimeters to over 2 meters in diameter. Their smooth surfaces and precise roundness are so striking that many have speculated about extraterrestrial origins or the work of an ancient, advanced civilization. Science suggests they were formed through natural processes, such as mineral precipitation around a core. But how do we explain their distribution and the fact that many were found in alignments suggesting an unknown purpose? To this day, these spheres remain an enigma that challenges both archaeologists and geologists. Another formation that seems to defy gravity and time is the balanced rocks of Utah, USA. These massive boulders appear to float on narrow pedestals, as if a divine sculptor decided to test the limits of balance. Erosion is the most accepted explanation. Wind and water wore away the base of the rocks over millions of years, leaving only a thin connection to the ground. But why haven't these formations toppled? And why do some of them seem to be in almost impossible positions? These questions remain unanswered, fueling the imagination of those who observe them. In Argentina, the Hill of Seven Colors offers a visual spectacle that seems straight out of a dream. Located in the Quebrada de Humahuaca, this mountain displays layers of vibrant colors: red, green, purple, yellow, blending into a rainbow of rock. Science explains that the colors are the result of different minerals and sediments deposited over millions of years. But how did these minerals organize themselves so harmoniously? And why has this particular mountain become such a unique icon? The beauty of the Hill of Seven Colors is undeniable, but its formation still holds secrets that geologists are trying to unravel. And we cannot forget the Waitomo Caves in New Zealand, where rocks seem to come alive under the light of thousands of glowworms. These caves are formed from limestone, sculpted by water over eons. However, what truly captures attention is the interaction between geology and biology. The glowworms that inhabit the caves create a light show that transforms the environment into something almost magical. How did nature manage to create such a perfect balance between life and rock? These caves are a reminder that geology doesn't exist in isolation but in constant dialogue with other elements of the earth. These unexplained phenomena lead us to question not only what we know about rock formation, but also the limits of our knowledge. Science advances, but the earth always seems to hold one more secret, one more surprise. Each mysterious rock formation is an invitation to explore, investigate, and marvel at the complexity of our planet. In the next chapter, we'll explore how these formations have inspired myths, legends, and cultures around the world, revealing that the line between science and history is often thinner than we imagine. Prepare for a journey where geology meets human imagination. Throughout history, humans have looked at the natural world with a mix of awe and curiosity. When faced with rock formations that defy explanation, our ancestors often turned to myths and legends to make sense of the inexplicable. These stories, passed down through generations, reveal not only the creativity of human imagination, but also the deep connection between people and the land they inhabit. Take, for example, the giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. Legend has it that the causeway was built by the giant Finn McCool, who wanted to confront his rival, Benandana, across the sea in Scotland. The hexagonal columns, according to the tale, are the remnants of McCool's massive stone pathway. While science explains the formation as the result of volcanic activity, the legend adds a layer of magic and wonder to the site, reminding us that geology and storytelling often go hand in hand. In Romania, the singing stones have inspired tales of ancient spirits trapped within the rocks. Locals believe that the melodic sounds produced by the stones are the voices of these spirits, communicating with the living. Geologists attribute the sounds to the rock's unique composition and their ability to vibrate, but the legends persist, adding a mystical dimension to the scientific explanation. The stone spheres of Costa Rica are also shrouded in mystery. Indigenous cultures believed the spheres were gifts from the gods or relics of a lost civilization. Some even thought they possessed magical powers. While modern science has debunked these ideas, the spheres remain a symbol of cultural heritage and a testament to humanity's desire to find meaning in the unknown. In Australia, the Devil's Marbles are sacred to the Aboriginal people, who see them as the eggs of the rainbow serpent, a powerful creator spirit. The marbles' unusual shapes and balancing acts are said to be the result of the serpent's movements. For the Aboriginal people, these formations are not just geological wonders, they are part of a living spiritual landscape. These myths and legends remind us that rocks are more than just inanimate objects. They are storytellers, guardians of history, and symbols of the human experience. As we continue to explore the mysteries of these formations, we must also honor the cultures and traditions that have grown around them. In the final chapter, we'll look to the future and examine how modern technology is helping us unlock the secrets of these geological wonders. From AI to satellite imaging, the tools of the 21st century are opening new doors to understanding our planet's past, and perhaps even its future. As we stand on the brink of a new era in science and technology, the mysteries of Earth's rock formations are slowly being unraveled. Modern tools and techniques are allowing us to peer deeper into the planet's history, revealing clues that were once hidden in plain sight. From artificial intelligence to satellite imaging, the future of geological research is as exciting as it is promising. One of the most groundbreaking advancements is the use of 3D modeling and LIDAR technology. These tools allow scientists to create detailed maps of rock formations, revealing patterns and structures that were previously invisible. For example, researchers have used LIDAR to study the stone spheres of Costa Rica, uncovering new information about their distribution and possible origins. Similarly, 3D models of the giant's Causeway have provided fresh insights into the volcanic processes that shaped it. Artificial intelligence is also playing a crucial role in geological research. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and predict geological phenomena with unprecedented accuracy. For instance, AI algorithms have been used to study the erosion patterns of the balanced rocks of Utah, helping scientists understand how these formations have remained stable for millennia. Satellite imaging has revolutionized our ability to study remote and inaccessible areas. The Hill of Seven Colors in Argentina, for example, has been extensively mapped using satellite technology, revealing new details about its mineral composition and formation. Similarly, satellites have been used to monitor the Waitomo caves, tracking changes in the cave systems and the glowworm populations that inhabit them. But perhaps the most exciting development is the growing collaboration between scientists and local communities. Indigenous knowledge, passed down through generations, is being recognized as a valuable resource in understanding geological phenomena. In Australia, for example, Aboriginal elders have worked with geologists to study the Devil's Marbles, combining traditional wisdom with modern science to uncover new insights. As we continue to explore the mysteries of Earth's rock formations, one thing is clear. The future of geological research is not just about technology. It's about curiosity, collaboration, and a deeper respect for the planet we call home. These formations are more than just rocks. They are windows into the past, present, and future of our world. And as we unlock their secrets, we come one step closer to understanding the incredible story of Earth itself.